My name is Noel Doyle. I'm the Managing Director of Organica UK Limited. We are a private label manufacturer of household cleaning chemicals and laundry products for the major supermarkets and retailers. Okay, so some of the challenges we've had is with running our production lines is seeing what the productivity is on the production lines. Whereas we pack products for the supermarkets, we pack products into bottles of a variety of sizes, from 100ml to 5 litres. One of the issues is that various products run at different rates, and keeping a track on how fast each product can be packed. Obviously, the faster we can pack and more efficiently we can pack a product, the better the productivity and the profitability of the company is. The challenge we had is that was always done on a pen and paper manual based system. One of the solutions for that was to move towards a digital system, whereby we employed Datahome to install a sensor-based system onto the production lines, which can count how many bottles per minute are filled, how many bottles are labelled per minute, and how many bottles are packed per minute. We've also installed a display system above each line, which shows the production staff what bottle they are currently packing and how far they are in that production run, because they're given a target then of to produce so many bottles per shift. And they can see exactly where they're up to in a very simple graphical format. In the office, the managers, such as myself, we can look at more detail on those processes, and we can see the uptimes, the downtimes. We can identify problems or issues which may be affecting the productivity of the packing system.
Yep. My name's Rod Waugh. I'm Managing Director of Beverston Engineering. My company is based in Knowsley, and we've been operating since 1974. I originally got involved with Industry 4.0 about 4 or 5 years ago, and to be honest with you, when I first saw what it was about, I didn't really get it. As it wasn't like robots or automating or getting rid of people on the shop floor, I thought, well, this is no concern of mine. But after exposure to more information about what it was about and meetings with several bodies who were promoting it within our area, I eventually came to the conclusion, yes, I can use this. And we've been involved in a project over the last 3 years of introducing digitised processes into our normal daily routines. And we've been looking at ways of linking the machines to our ERP system. And we've been using a software company called Datahome to enable us to do that. And it's been really successful. It's highlighting lots of instant changes that are going on the shop floor. Our ERP system updates live regularly, every day. Within a minute, if there's a problem on the shop floor, whereas previously, under the old way, it would only be after the event had happened and the operation had been closed down would we find that there was any problems, and it was too late to react then. So it's been really useful to do that, and the software's been really good.
So my name's Jonathan Wright. I'm the Managing Director at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. Here at Colchester, we are a designer, manufacturer and distributor worldwide of machine tool products. We supply globally to the engineering and wider manufacturing sectors. Now I'm sure we're all interested in, as a business, in how we can improve the bottom line. And one way that we can do that is through increased productivity. Now when we look at digital manufacturing and the technologies behind this really is a gateway to helping us improve productivity and really make an impact on the bottom line. For me, there are 3 critical elements in digital manufacturing and digital technologies. The first 2 are connectivity and data, and this in essence is, for me, is what Industry 4 and digital manufacturing is all about. So connectivity of everything, all our machines in our machine shop, all our systems within an organisation, connected together with the ability to talk to each other, and then collection of data. But it's not just about collecting data in its raw form, It's about taking that data, applying knowledge to it and turning it into useful information, okay? The third element is a belief in the adage that you'll never improve what you don't measure, okay? And if you can integrate those first two steps, connectivity and data, and if you really believe in you'll improve what you measure, then that's your gateway to increasing or improving productivity and really having a positive impact on the bottom line.
Hi, I'm Andy Dawson, Operations Director for Siddall and Hilton Products Limited, based in West Yorkshire. We are the UK's largest manufacturer of welded mesh and fencing panels, and we manufacture across 5 production lines, processing circa 18,000 tonnes of steel wire per annum, with a turnover of circa £22 million. For any manufacturer, having full visibility of the process is key in today's climate. So much so, Siddall and Hilton is currently migrating to a new data capture system in partnership with Datahorn. The new system will capture and monitor all aspects of machine, process, operator and measure against the standard in real time. This will give total visibility of the process and, more importantly, identify opportunities and best practice while significantly reducing unnecessary downtime. Quite simply, what gets measured gets fixed. Without this step change, the business would almost certainly drift as visibility of the issues are restricted. Installing data capture and or replacing upgrading systems can be quite costly and difficult to justify. For Siddall and Hilton, a 1% increase in OEE will generate £100,000 to the bottom line. The business has targeted a 5% increase in OEE for 2022. Through the initial phase, with the partnership of Datahorn, we targeted machine speeds against the standard. With the help of Datahorn, we can now see if machines are running at the standard speed and identify inefficiencies. What the system also does, it gives us a predicted finish time for the order, so our sales team can see when the order will be ready to the minute. It also allows us to plan service maintenance intervals and also changeovers and make sure wire and raw materials are ready at the necessary time.